matter. It's another day. It's another video. She just looked at me while I had this camera on my head. But it don't matter, because I'm going crazy, you know what I'm saying? Another day, another video, you know what I'm saying? Nighttime, sunset, look, cruise, you know what I'm saying? Damn, it's a full moon. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It's a full moon, though. But yeah, man, hopefully y'all enjoy the videos, man. Y'all been going crazy on the channel. So, you know what I'm saying? I've been uploading consistently, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, y'all been liking the Mexico videos. Shit. I've been liking the Mexico videos, so I'm gonna upload a lot of that. Hold up. Damn! My bad. What I was saying, y'all like the Mexico videos, so I'm gonna upload more of that. I got a lot of stuff getting done to this car very soon, man. Can't wait. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Like the video, subscribe. About to hit 10K. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Like the video, comment. You know what I'm saying? First person to comment on the video, I'm gonna cash out with them some money. First person. I'm gonna start doing giveaways and shit like that. But I'm gonna stop talking, I'm gonna just drive the car, you know what I'm saying? And y'all enjoy the video, subscribe. Shit. You might as well go on campus. Fuck it. This car is fucking crazy. Bruh, the shit I'm about to do to my car, bruh, this bitch is about to be so fast, bruh. Y'all don't understand, bruh. Crazy. Crazy, 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 man. It's about to be crazy what I'm about to do to this car. So fucking loud. Way faster than what it is. Can't wait, bruh. I'm gonna do a video of everything I'm about to get to my car though. Probably next video, I'll do like a little vlog video, I know. Cause I do POV, I do the POV videos and go back with the vlog video. So it's back and forth, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. So much content, bro. I love making content. I love making content for y'all, man. It's literally what I wanna do. I wanna make content, car content, with my car and just all the cars I get, just make POV videos and shit like that, you know? Oh, brother. Damn. What was that? That was like a big ass, like, I don't know what that was in the middle of the street. Crazy. Let's hit the, go to campus though, see what's busting on our campus, you know what I'm saying? Pushing this boy today. This nigga's on a train track. He's on a train track. That's dangerous as fuck. Damn. I'm saying. Says on my face. Faster, or what we gonna do, Mike? Police right here. Let's give it a little downshift. I just did a downshift right in front of him, bro. Oh shit. Right in front of him. That's crazy. Oh shit. Huh? Good. Yo, the good looking, bro. You said, where's the hood? Fuck, I don't fucking know. That bitch gone.
Oh my god.
Another police. I ain't doing that, you know what I'm saying? I'm just cruising around doing a speed limit, you know what I'm saying? They out here today. It's not my fault, my car is loud and fast, you know what I'm saying? I ain't doing nothing to nobody. Cruising around, you know what I'm saying? I'm cooling. It's a nice day out though. Gotta go get a workout in after this, you know what I'm saying? Go to work, you know what I'm saying? It's a great day. That's Ellisville police. Evil police. Fuck. Where he going? Where is he turning at? That's the thing. He gonna try to get me. Damn, that pop. Let's go downtown. When people ask me where my hood at, I'm like, somebody stole it. That's literally what I'm gonna say. Somebody stole it. Somebody stole my hood. I love when people stare at me. That shit is so funny to me. They act like they never saw somebody with a nice car and a GoPro on their head. That shit is so funny to me. Where's he walking to? I ain't mean to scare you, shorty. Yeah. Damn, it smells like straight burnt pizza down here. Is that 12? So we gonna just be good, brother. You might as well come. Yeah, it's my turn now. It's not my fault, my shit. I'm just making a YouTube video, you know what I'm saying? I'm just making a YouTube video. Girl, flip me off. Why you flip me off for? I'm just making a YouTube video. Damn, you kinda turn kinda in my lane, brother. Not my fault, my car loud, my boy. I never been to that place before here. Great night, mine. Not too hot, you know what I'm saying? It's like a perfect night. That wine, bro, my wine gonna be so loud when I, oh boy. Actually, I'm gonna go to the stadium. down with my dude. Y'all know about that little folk boy. They don't. Damn, that's 12 right there too. Fuck. I'm not doing that. Oh, he not worried about me. Park. Let's pull this out, see if the battery's still gonna stay on. And it is. Look at that, hear that chop. That stock chop. Wait, boy, I can't, boy. Hopefully I enjoyed the video though, man. Nighttime POV, sunset-ish, you know what I'm saying? I'll probably just say nighttime, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know. But yeah, car's still clean. I got a lot of stuff that's about to be done to this car, bro. Can't wait. I'm telling you, bro, it's about to be loud, choppy. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be nice. But make sure y'all like the video, subscribe, comment on the video, and yeah, man, I'm out, man. You know what I'm saying?